For our next guest and her corporation, the mission is clear. Life is about living for today, planning for tomorrow, and doing some good in the world along the way. Through their product sales, 1891 Financial Life is all about giving back, not only to their members, but the community at large. At the helm is CEO Lisa Bickus. She's here today to tell us more about the female-founded company that's been helping Americans for over 130 years. Welcome.
Thank you.
So glad you're here. I'm thrilled you're here because I love hearing about female empowerment. I see this picture behind you. I see these amazing women. Tell me about that history.
Yeah, the history started back in 1891.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, with a few courageous women who really wanted to make a difference in their community. They had a sudden event of a mother who passed away with 6 children. So they took up a collection to help the family pay for her funeral costs. From there, they decided to make that organization a lot larger, and they needed to incorporate, but in order to incorporate it, they needed men.
They needed to ask permission, I'm assuming.
Yes, from the men.
Ugh.
Because back in 1891, women were possessions, their kids were possessions, their income was a possession of their husband's property. So they went to 10 men from the Catholic Order of Foresters, and they formed their own company called the Women's Catholic Order of Foresters. They got state chartered in 1894, and today, you know, our mission and vision stands true to what we are.
I love this story, and I was reading here, Lisa, from its inception. These women continue to spark understanding and create a vision of serving sincerely, empowering each other, and following your heart. So today, your mission and the common bond has remained the same for more than 100 years. So talk to me about that bond and how it really just has catapulted you to where you are today.
Our organization, 1891 Financial Life, is truly an insurance carrier. Our mission is really to help financially secure our members and also help them with their communities. We offer scholarships, grants for pre-K all the way to college.
Wow.
Yeah, we offer discounts for families, medical discounts, prescription discounts, and also pre-planning funeral expense discounts. On top of that, we have a matching gift program for our members to go out into their own local communities to help their communities in whatever their philanthropic events or needs are. For example, raising money for a local charity.
That's fantastic. Now, while insurance is a serious topic that most people really don't want to discuss, I feel it's something that has to be discussed, right?
Correct. It is a serious conversation. It's a way for our organization, 1891, to protect our families and create that financial stability. And it's really important that we put that forth to the communities that we are involved in as well, and have that opportunity to be trusted, liked, and known. And I think today insurance is the number one mitigant is the cost to purchasing insurance. And we really are trying to focus, our organization and our membership is trying to focus on those 20 to 45-year-olds today, because they think the cost of the life insurance is 3 times what it actually is.
Right, they think it's too expensive for them, and that's not the case.
No, that is not the case. So when you think about life insurance today, you think about generational wealth. And that's where our organization, too, these founding mothers, understood that it's important also to pass on generational wealth.
That's fantastic. Can you talk a little bit about the products you offer? Because I know there's a slew, but there's always a core that's the most important.
Our lifetime premium whole life products are my favorite. You know, so you get accumulated cash value with that. It's tax deferred. You also get dividends with that. But most importantly, that death benefit passes on to the generation tax-free. We also have term insurance policies. Those are really low-cost policies, and you pay them for 10, 20, or 30 years. Our favorite, and my favorite newly started, is our juvenile policy. Age 3 to 26, you can convert it 5 times its value. So for example, if you buy a $50,000 policy, you're able to convert that at age 26 to $250,000 whole life.
Wow.
Again, thinking about passing on generational wealth, right? Lastly, we have riders that go along that enhance the value of your policies. And our favorite rider that we've just started is our charitable rider. So if you wanted to donate money to a charity and your beneficiary proceeds to a charity, we would match up to $2,500 of that.
Oh, that's fantastic as well.
It is.
So many options, and again, I know a tough discussion, but I think it gives a lot of people peace of mind. I know we touched upon a little bit about giving back. Expand a little bit about how 1891 Financial Life does give back.
Over the last 5 years, our membership has donated over 7,000 of their volunteer hours towards our organization. And our own organization has donated $13.5 million since inception of member benefits.
Fantastic. What are your final thoughts?
Yeah, my final thoughts, life insurance is a peace of mind.
It is.
And it adds the financial stability to your family. 1891's members really get value from knowing that we're here to not only protect their families, but also to help their communities grow.
And give back.
And give back.
Thank you so much for everything. Great information. For our viewers who'd like more information, where can they go?
They can go to 1891financiallife.com or to our Facebook page, 1891 Financial Life.
Great. Thank you so much, and love that picture.
Thank you.
And if you'd like more information about anything we discussed today, just go to our website, thebalancingAct.com.